How's it going, everyone? W.o.WFurBrony here, and I decided I'm gonna do a little unboxing video. My Little Pony Mystery Minis by Funko. Now, the thing is, I bought this at Barnes & Noble out at Mall America, and as you can see on the back, you can get one of these characters. So I don't know which one is inside. So let's go ahead and open this thing up to see what is inside. Which character lies within. Well, I wish they would have made it a little bit easier to open this box. Alright. Just got to pass the flaps here. Oops. Dropping my camera. First you can see a reflection of me. Hi! Alright, which one is it? It's a black bag. Well, from the feels of it, the character is inside. I don't know what character it is. I want to know. Darn it. Hold on. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Oh, wait. I think I feel a tail, feet. I think I already know what character this is, judging by from what I've already felt. I believe I've got a Discord. Darn it. Okay, gotta stab it. Nope, that's not working. Gotta make these bags easier to open. Hold on. There we go. Had to use my mouth. And am I right? Hey, come on, stupid bag. Let go. But I was right. It is a Discord. How could I tell through the bag? Well, simple. I felt its tail through the bag. So, there we are. Oops. Darn it. Discord. So, there we go. I've got a Funko Discord miniature figure from this around $6 My Little Pony Funko Mystery Minis. Although I was kind of hoping for either Twilight or Rarity, just because of the fact that I would have all of the main six, but hey, who can ever say that they're not happy to end up getting the Lord of Chaos? I'm W.o.WFurBrony, signing out. I am me, and you are you.